Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go through that Sasuke figure that I won from Toreba. So if you haven't checked out that latest Toreba video, check it out and see what I won. And I'm going to go through all of the figures that I won because there is a little bit of assembly required. And the previous one that I did was the Kakashi figure. So if you want to check out the Kakashi figure as well, you can go back on my channel and find the figure. So we just had a look at the box there, and you can see this Sasuke one is a little bit more, there's more components to it than the Kakashi one. So it comes with different face plates and an option for the Chidori and a different kind of stand as well. So kind of really like this one. So I'm just going to unbox it here and we can have a look at all of the parts that you get. So you can see there's two different face plates, two hands, and the little hair piece. And then for the body obviously comes in two pieces, and also that little stand that matches the Chidori that you get as well. So we can go ahead and cut everything open. I like to cut things open neatly. I don't really like to tear things open just because if I ever wanted to sell something as well, if I run out of the room or something like that, I can just put it back in the original packaging and sell it that way as well. So these figures are from, they're made by Banpresto, and they're generally won in like crane games overseas in Japan, but I won these on Toreba, but you can usually find them in shops like pop culture shops and stuff as well. So we can have a look at the torso bit of the upper body of Sasuke, and you can see it has the bite mark that on his neck, and well, the cursed seal, I guess, but you can see the face plates aren't on Sasuke, so it looks a bit weird at the moment. So you can get a good look of his cursed seal just there, and he also doesn't have his front hairpiece on as well, so that will be a separate piece. And moving on to the bottoms of the legs, I guess. So he has like the outfit he has when he's older in Naruto Shippuden. So I quite like that outfit, and I like kind of like the way he looks as well. It's really good quality paint job again, just like the Kakashi figure. Really happy with the way it looks. Nothing's like painted out of whack or anything. So yeah, really good quality figures, and they're pretty cheap for the quality as well. So all you need to do with the Sasuke one is sort of sit him in the middle. It has like a click system. Sometimes with these figures they don't really fit in that well, or they're quite difficult to put together. Like you need a lot of force to actually get the bodies together, but just keep at it and you'll get it right as well. So they should fit in no problem. So it's pretty easy to put the body on, no problem with that at all. Just need a bit of force, like I said. Alright, let's have a closer look at the way the seam line, you can't actually see a seam line, so you wouldn't even know that it is a two-piece figure, but yeah, it's really great quality. I can't rave about it enough. Alright, so let's get the stand out and this weird little stick thing, which I'm unsure what the stick is for at the moment, but we'll find out. Alright, so these are the other pieces that come in your Sasuke figure. So we'll go ahead and open it again. So you can see the two different face plates that you can get. One is just his regular black eyes and the other one is his Sharingan eyes. So I'm going to put that face plate on, but that's kind of cooler looking in my opinion. But I'll go ahead and put the regular one on as well, just so you can see what it looks like when it's on. And again, it kind of looks like he has a receding hairline until you put that front piece of hair on, and then it actually looks like Sasuke. So we can go ahead and move on to the Sharingan one, and you can see how much cooler it looks as well, and how the faceplate actually sits on. So it's kind of like a BJD faceplate. It's got like a little click system thing where you just click it on. Obviously not as elaborate as a BJD one, but same sort of concept. And then we can just plug the hairpiece in at the front. It's got the same little plug system as the rest of the doll, but you can't see that seam line, but it doesn't matter, it's a figure. So you can see it actually looks like Sasuke now. Yay! Yeah, I think I'm going to leave this faceplate as well. It looks pretty cool with that Sharingan eyes. Alright, so you have two choices of arms that you can put on him. It is just one arm that you can choose. The other one is just plain and it's already stuck in there. So one is without the Chidori and one is with. So I think I'm going to put the Chidori on just because it's a lot cooler as well, especially how he has his Sharingan on as well. So again, the hands are really, really nicely sculpted and pretty elaborate for just a vinyl figure. So yeah, really happy with it. Alright, so just pop that arm on, and again it has a little click system that you just, like, it's got like a peg where you plug it in, and it's really easy to change. So, not sure what this is, this little stick, very unsure, and I was trying to work out if it actually goes on the stand or what it does, but I don't know what it is, I have no idea. So I'm just going to go ahead and work out how the stand actually fits on the Sasuke, but yeah, I don't know. I guess it goes underneath this rope thing and it sort of props him up, I don't know, in the stand, but I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to show you the curse seal, how much detail they actually put into this, so they didn't just put the clothes over him, so they didn't have to do it. Alright, so let's have a quick overview of Sasuke all put together. I actually worked out how that stand went. It goes on his foot, duh! And I like how it matches the Chidori as well, and it's not just like, you know, some weird colour. It also would have been good as black as well, so it blends into the back of his legs or anything. And I also figured the stick is just to prop him up because he's a heavier doll than the Kakashi one, but I don't think he really needs it. I think the stand does pretty well. So yeah, overall pretty happy with this figure. So if you like Sasuke, you can see if you can find it. It's like $30 or something, so it's not too expensive. Alright, and that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any requests, you can leave them in the comments down below. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!